everyone. So this is our K-12 kit and today we will be working on the project Potentiometer Buzzer Control. So let's see how it's done. First, we will connect the power to the positive of the potentiometer, then negative of the potentiometer to the ground. Next, the output of the potentiometer to the positive of the buzzer. Then negative of the buzzer to the ground. Now, when our twist is potentiometer, the buzzer is supposed to ring and change its intensity. Let's see. So, on twisting the potentiometer, the intensity of the sound changes. And this is how it's done.